So, everybody know when you go party, people drink, people smoke, either weed or ciggy or something, get high, get drunk. And everybody know say when people get high and drunk, some form of war or altercation are gonna happen. But there are two different types of cussing when two different types of people cuss. That makes sense? Two different type of cussing when two different type of people cuss. There's a difference when high people cuss, and there's a difference when drunk people cuss. Check this out. Hey, go suck your mother. You know, say, when we were conceived from the womb, I will come out, birthed by our mothers. We did all have to suck with mother to survive. So here what I tell you now. Suck your gal. And me lick you down here. If me lick you now, that means say my hand I go connect to your jawbone. And that means say my knuckle them I go hurt me. So here we do. Run up in that pole there and knock out yourself. Hey, you don't know me, you know. Me kill you. Selassie say peace and love. And we not for kill. But there are exceptions. But if me kill you now, everybody at the party are gonna know say me kill you. And my name I go reach back to dirty Babylon, boy. So here what? Just jump off of the balcony and kill yourself. Why everybody want me? Why everybody want me? Well, I'll come from Mother Earth, Zine. Mother Earth give birth to we. We are all one. And we live on the earth for a reason. That reason is for live. Now when you diss me, you give up your reason upon the earth. You understand what I say? You give up your reason. And what is the reason I say everybody there upon the earth for? Believe. But you diss me. So you give up your reason. You understand? Me I say. I wanted a pussy earlier, man. You know, if I call a man a pussy hole is a compliment. So here what? Mr. Batty Wall. Sit down and harbor shit. Yo, me dash me Guinness in your face. Yo, me dash me Guinness. Yo, me dash me Guinness in your face, yeah? Yeah. Dash me Guinness. Yo, me dash me Guinness in your face, yeah? If me dash my roots pan you know, my roots I gonna dash up on shit. And it's gonna rise up the shit scent. Oh, I mean I really want to smell. So my roots I gonna stay in my buckle. For going on my belly. And not pan you. Yeah, move from here, someone, before me wine your girl. You see if you wine my girl now. She not my girl no more. She your girl. She's a dirty girl. She wine you. But you see if you stay here, me not go wine your girl. Me gonna make my last wine up in your belly.